Banyak banget
I
perempuan semua. There are so many Poland girl here.
Do you speak?
yeah, Poland girl.
Poland
Yes.
girl, yeah. What are you doing? Are you locked down in the room because of COVID? Huh?
No.
Yes. Yes.
No, how is COVID in your country? Is it terrible?
No.
Many people of dead, dying,
Which one is the most beautiful?
jobless. Are you not going to school? You're not going to
I'm
school?
interested.
Holiday?
Which one is the most beautiful?
Which one? Which the most beautiful among you?
Yes.
Me?
Among you. Hey, there are 3 girls in front of me. So I have to choose which one?
I don't understand.
No, you don't understand. You asking me who's the most beautiful? Hmm?
Okay.
Don't you learn English in school?
No.
No.
Poland.
No.
Poland.
The school never taught you about English. So you cannot speak English. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Where are you from?
I am from Russia.
You're from Russia. Are you speaking English?
Yes, but I not
Little.
not good.
Not good, but you can understand what I'm talking about. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, what is your name? Tiga wawancara kerja ini ah. What is your name?
Yes.
Yes.
Anastasia.
Anastasia. Okay, nice name. How old are you?
Thank you.
How old are you?
19.
19. So you are a college student. Are you?
Yes, I student university Zabgo.
Yes, you.
I teacher.
You're a teacher
Yes.
at the school, or
No, I study.
you study in university?
Yes.
Yeah. Nah, tadi kan gue bilang begitu, Pak Jul.
What is the name?
My name is Ebenje Rudolf. Ebenje.
What?
My name is Ebenje Rudolf.
Ebenderov.
Ebenje, J.
J.
Yeah, Ebenje Rudolf.
Ebenjerinov.
Yeah. You're from Russia?
Yes.
Yes. What city do you live in?
Are from?
Me.
Yes.
I am from Indonesia. Do you know Indonesia? This is a traditional t-shirt from my country called batik. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You learn English at school or by yourself? You don't understand ente diem aja, ente gak nyambung. Ya udah ya. Tuh, ini lagi nih disco. Halo.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Russia.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Because many Russian cannot speak English. I don't understand what they're talking about. Blah, 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 blah. What is your name?
Yulia, what's your name?
Yulia. My name is Edward Ifak Dalam.
That's a long name.
Yes, it's a long name. Just call me Ifak.
Ifalk?
Ifak, Ifak.
Ifak?
Yeah, Ifak. Okay. What city do you live in?
Moscow. Why are you talking like that?
Huh?
Why are you talking like that?
This is my accent.
Ah, oh, I
Yeah.
thought you were trying.
I'm not a native speaker.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah. This is just my accent.
Are you playing guitar?
Yeah, this is guitar just pegang aja. I'm holding is just holding this.
Oh, I can hold it too, but I have ukulele.
Wah, hebat. You playing ukulele.
Well, yeah, but I'm bad at it, so it's just standing in my room.
Try to sing with your ukulele.
I can't sing. I can only play.
Play. It's like a SpongeBob music.
Yeah.
Good.
How old are you?
I am 21. And you?
I'm 18.
18. So you are a college student? Or
No, I'm university student.
university
First
student?
year.
You what is your major?
Journalism.
Journalism. You want to be a presenter? News anchor?
No, I just picked it randomly. Like, I don't know.
Pick it randomly? You don't plan it? You just go into the
Yeah,
journalism?
because my parents wanted me to go to the university. That's why.
Okay,
Are you
good.
studying?
Yes, I am studying at university too.
What major?
My major is sociology.
Wow, cool. Wait,
Yeah.
it's kind of boring, no?
Boring?
Yeah, I think it's boring. I just had sociology in school. It was boring.
Ah. Maybe it's not your it's not your passion, but I like it so
yeah.
much.
Yeah, I understand.
Iya. Wey, cycling nih. Cycling.
Yeah, man.
You are
Yeah, man.
you're cycling? Wey. Where are you from?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. I'm from London, man.
Oh, you're from London. Wah, be careful. You playing ometv while
Yeah, man.
cycling.
Yeah, man.
You can lose your concentration.
No, I'm good.
Oh, you're good.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Look.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Where do you want to go? Where
Oh,
do you wanna go?
go.
Come on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oi.
See, I'm quick, man.
I'm quick, boy. Let's go. Bersatu dengan marilah sampai tujuan ku tak akan pernah. Are you from Australia? Why are you
talking to me?
Why are you silent?
Why are you talking to me?
What I'm talking about you. You suck, you know. Apa sih lu nggak jelas lu?
Back up.
Nggak jelas ente. Lu kok Australia
Back up,
begitu
you
lu?
Chinese cunt.
Tampol-tampolin lu sini lu. Pelaku betul mah gue takut sama lu.
Let me Chinese. Shut up.
Lu kan cuma bisa you only speak English kan? You cannot speak another language kan? Ya, dah. Nggak bisa kan bahasa lain? Ya, can you speak another language? Bisa nggak? Ya, diem kan lu, nggak jelas.
My dad did.
Hey, hi, what are you eating? Can you speak English?
So very bad.
So, okay. Are you from Russia?
Yeah,
Okay, what is your name?
my name is Vika.
Vikam?
What's your name?
My name is Obiora. Obiora.
Obiora.
Yeah, Obiora. Obiora.
Obiora.
Yeah, Obiora. How old are you?
What?
How,
Obiora.
how old are you?
Who?
Old.
Играет своя.
How old are you?
Играй.
You're 16. You're 16 years old or you're 18 years old?
15.
15.
Yeah.
So you are a junior high school student.
Yeah, school.
Hey,
Hello.
Hello.
What are you playing?
I'm playing guitar. Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel. Oh, good. What is
Oui.
what is your name?
Emily.
Emily. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So
How
play
old?
something.
How old are you?
Play something in your guitar.
Play something. Play something. I'm giving up on you.
Something like that.
Ding ding ding. Ding 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 ding.
Oh, I know this one.
Oh, I hope that you're settled down.
Father, you're
And you're
married now. I can't hear you, but it's nice.
good.
You're playing good. Nice.
Yes. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22. So you're university student or have been?
I'm a student, yeah.
Yeah, you're a student. What majors?
What?
And how old are you?
I'm just 1, 2, 24.
24.
24.
Okay, I understand. 24. What is your job? What do you do?
What username? What is your name?
My name is Abanda Herman.
Abanda Herman?
Yes, Abanda. And what's your
My
name?
name is Osama bin Laden.
Osama bin Laden.
Osama bin Laden.
Osama bin Laden. Is it a terrorist?
Yes.
Adik-adik aja ente. Halo.
My name is Amanro.
Amanru. Who is Amanru? Amanro.
Yes.
Aman in Indonesia is mean safe.
You China?
No, I am from Indonesia.
Indonesia? Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Do you know Indonesia?
Good.
Yeah. We
Game guitar? You guitar game?
playing guitar. Why
Go game.
why you not wearing a t-shirt? Why you wearing apa itu namanya itu singlet? Why you don't wear t-shirt? Is it hot over there?
What do you say?
You're not wearing a t-shirt. You just wear a singlet. Is it hot over there? Over that lagi, over there. You don't have
Okay, bro.
you don't have kipas?